So this is the finished product of the chocolate that we made this morning. This is the cacao chocolate from scratch. So yeah, I'm gonna remove it. So yeah, naging bar siya. We freeze it for like 5 minutes. Madali lang siyang matuyo. And now I'm gonna taste it. So yeah, wala tayong mold, chocolate molder. So tinry lang muna natin dito sa microwavable. So yeah, so I don't have anything like special a slicer.
Ay,
So I'm gonna use a regular
sa YouTube. Edi ikat mo muna.
okay na ako naman kung hindi ko kung hindi pa ako naman inikat mo. So yeah, we're gonna slice the chocolate that we make. See and taste it. So let's try. It's hard.
Dapat may water ka tam.
I don't know. Kailangan ba ng water?
Matamis. Ay, mapakay.
It's okay. So yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna try it. Oh, by the way, I think we put 1 cup of cacao powder to the blender and 2 tablespoons of sugar, white sugar, to taste it. But I think it depends on your preference for the sugar. So I'm gonna taste it. It's a little bit of bitter. Hindi mo malalasahan na sweet siya. Kasi ito po yung preference ko for chocolate. I don't like too much of sweet. So, mas gusto ko yung dark lang siya. So, I like it. For those people that doesn't like much sugar, yeah. Pwede siyang pang toppings. So that's all. Thank you. Guys, thanks a lot for watching. I'm Bev. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and hit the notification bell below. See you in the next video, and God bless.